What's up, guys? Today I have some toy organization ideas that are super affordable and will have your kids' toys clutter-free in no time. So I hope you enjoy this. Please like and subscribe if you do. Holding back, I got history. Yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you would. I'm starting off upstairs in Rylee's room because I really need to declutter and organize this dresser. I bought this cube from IKEA, which I will have linked down below. Most of this is gym clothes, so I really want to start discarding things that I just don't wear anymore, anything that has stains, and then refold everything neatly the Kamari way. I was able to consolidate this drawer, and this one all into the bottom. So this is basically all of my gym clothes except for any of my leggings, because I do keep that in my room. So these are all, like, you know, my t-shirts and all that stuff. And then in here is going to be all my tank tops and muscle tees that I wear to the gym. So I'm really excited about that. And then these are just like random, like, tank tops and shirts, things like that I always like held onto that I never ended up wearing. Some stuff even has like stains on it. So yeah, it's time to let those go. I leave the TV on, I'm done with your sad eyes. I can take another night. Moving on to Rylee's playroom. This is definitely an area that I struggle with trying to maintain and keep neat and organized. So I went to the Container Store and picked up a whole bunch of new bins and different organizational systems that are super affordable. Of course, I will have them linked down below for you guys if you would like to shop this video. But I'm hoping that this will really help me manage and organize all of her toys. Excuse me, now hey. Rylee's Play Kitchen was a DIY makeover that I did, which I will link up in the cards for you. And she has so much play food, it's not even funny. But the containers that I have to organize everything just was not working. It wasn't big enough. So I thought that these bins that I picked up from the Container Store were absolutely perfect. Something easy we can just throw all of her play food in, close the door, and not have to worry about it. He's a vagabond, he won't love you better. I can watch you sinking down on the bottom ship. So come to 10, then again, Mississippi. You've been crying over him for a lifetime. So if you don't mind, we will dance till it's way past late. Another cause that we can fly with the baseline. I know. container store, I also saw this Lazy Susan, and I thought this would be perfect for any of Rylee's little like knick-knack figurines, stuff that you're not quite sure how to like organize and store. It did come in different sizes, so I'll have all sizes linked down below.
I counted the days since my phone stopped ringing. We don't talk any longer. Forgot all the things that I wanted to say. I guess you got new friends. Now I swear to God I am all alone in this wide, wild world. Wide, wild world.
When I saw these clear photo boxes, I knew I wanted to pick them up. We have tons of flashcards that we use with Rylee so she can learn words, shapes, and all of that stuff, but it is also hard to keep them organized. So I figured by putting all of her flashcards in one box, it would make things so much easier to keep together. These would also be great to store any small puzzle pieces as well.
Baby got me
As I was organizing all of her things, I was going through stuff and seeing what I could get rid of, because as kids grow and learn, there's some things that you just don't need around the house anymore, or things that you can put away for the next child if that's something that you guys are into, or something you can give away to friends and family, or even to the Goodwill. Ended up being a place where I dumped anything I couldn't find a place for, but for the most part it's a bunch of different like crafts and things like that that I like to buy for Rylee to keep her busy and occupied. So I'm going through everything, seeing what I should keep and what just needs to be dumped.
But I gotta try. Wish me the best of luck.
I went to HomeGoods and I wasn't even looking for anything in particular, but I stumbled upon this huge basket and I thought it was perfect to store all of Rylee's toys. As you can see, we have everything currently in this plastic bin that we picked up from IKEA, but it's just not big enough and I just don't even like the way it looks. So I thought that this like wicker basket would be a better fit for us.
Sort out the lies, oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts.
Okay, I finished going through every single thing in her room. This is a huge bag of stuff I'm going to throw away. These are like old coloring books that she literally has gone through every single page. There's like old stuff that's not even worth giving away. So that is everything that I'm getting rid of. And then this is the stuff that I'm thinking about giving away to somebody else because they're in pretty good shape. It's just stuff that she doesn't play with anymore. I think she outgrew them. So it's like this rolling guy, this stuff she doesn't play with, this cute little story time book. I'm not really sure if I should give this away just because of this like rip or hold on to it for the next baby. And then I have a couple of different puzzles, stuff again that she just does not play with. So I figured we can give it to somebody else who could use them. This I definitely want to hold on to, but I'm going to put it away. Again, it's not something that she plays with, so what is the point of keeping it out? And then I have these like little like learning blocks and things like that, so she can learn like tongue and I think like smile, different parts of the face, first words. So it's like this whole entire kit, but of course I got rid of the big box it came in. So I figured I could give that away to somebody as well. And then I'm also going to put this downstairs. She doesn't even play with it. And then I'm going to throw out the this dollhouse. It's cardboard, so it really wasn't anything. It was $5, so I don't feel bad about that. I absolutely love this bin that we picked up. It is so much bigger than this little plastic bin that we got from IKEA. I was randomly at HomeGoods the other day and I saw it. It was like maybe $24, no more than that. So I really, really like that. It fits every single thing in there. Up here is basically all of her like crafts, stuff like that. Don't mind that. That is a craft that we are working on. Hopefully we'll finish that up tonight. And then I switched her kinetic sand into this like bin that I got from the Dollar Tree. I think it's a lot better. And then in this bin that was crazy, I have a couple of like this puzzle I do want to hold on to. It was one that my sister had given her, basically asking her to be like her flower girl. So I thought this was more sentimental. I'm going to put that right there. Some more like kind of craft stuff. And then these are her like activity books that I got off of Amazon. They are absolutely great, especially if you have a toddler. They come with stickers and they help them learn different words, animals, you name it. And then here are all her books, then her water books. And then this, I ended up putting these flashcards that she clearly is way too young for right now. So I'm just going to store them right in here. Okay, so for her kitchen, up here are all of her like utensils, plates, all of that kind of stuff. Down here is where I use the stuff from the Container Store. Basically just to store all of her food. That's where I put there. And then under here is all of her kind of like figurines, so she could just twirl that really quick. And then for this big bin, I put a couple of her food stuff, and then like bubbles and her slime and her Play-Doh, all that stuff in there. And then underneath here is basically all of her like play dresses and stuff like that. I was really just trying to maximize the space in this kitchen area so it's less clutter all over the room. Of course, I cannot finish because this little girl is literally going through everything that I'm trying to organize. Right, Rylee?
Yeah.
Okay. Lastly, I'm going to take all of these mat pieces, put them back in the bin, and also give those away. The thing is that like they're so dirty, so I'm going to use this toy cleaner that I mentioned in a previous video. I will link that up in the cards for you guys, and wipe every single one down. I hope I have all of the pieces because this isn't something that she really plays with. She only plays with it when I take it out, so it can go, and then it frees up a whole nother bin that we could store other things in.
Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.